Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will start new chapters coins and notes. Today we will start new chapters coins and notes, and you have learned about coins and notes in the previous class. Today we will see more about coins and notes. See, in India we use rupees and coins. We use rupees and coins, that means coins and notes. And see, this is a symbol of rupees. So, how many coins have you seen? How many coins have you seen? The coin of 50 paise, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coins and 10 rupee coins. Now tell me which denomination notes have you seen? Which denomination notes have you seen? 10 rupee notes, 20 rupee notes, 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes, 200 rupee notes, 500 rupee notes, 2000 rupee notes. 2000 rupee notes. So let's understood the concept of exchanging big coins and notes for smaller ones. How do you change a smaller coins and notes in exchange for a big coins or notes? Generally we say give us a change for 10 rupee, 50 rupee or 200 rupees. So let's see the first one, the change for 1 rupee. The change for 1 rupee is, see, if you want to change for 1 rupee, so we take 2 coins of 50 paise. We take 2 coins of 50 paise. 2 coins of 50 paise make 1 rupee. And remember, 1 rupee has 100 paise. 1 rupee has 100 paise. Now see the next one. The next one is the change for 2 rupee. The change for 2 rupee. How can we take a change for 2 rupee? For 2 rupee coin? See, we can take 4 coins of 50 paise. 4 coins of 50 paise make 2 rupee. 4 coins of 50 paise make 2 rupee. And also we can take 2 1 rupee coin, or we can take 2 1 rupee coin, or we can take 1 1 rupee coin and 2 50 paise coin, or we can take 1 1 rupee coin and 2 50 paise coin. Now we see the change. Now see the change for a 5 rupee coin. The change for a 5 rupee coin is, see, how can we take a change for 5 rupee? See, first we take 5 coins of 1 rupee. We take 5 coins of 1 rupee. How many coins of 1 rupees? 5 coins of 1 rupee make 5 rupees. Or we can take 2 coins of 2 rupee and 1 coin of 1 rupee. 2 coins of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupee. See, we take 2 coins of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupees also make 5 rupees. Or see, we take 10 coin of 50 paise. We take 10 coin of 50 paise. How many coins? 10 coins. 10 coins of 50 paise make 5 rupees. Now we see the change for a 10 rupee coins. We see the change for a 10 rupee coins. See here, the first one is 50 paise coin. The first one is 50 paise coins. So how many coins of 50 paise do we need for 10 rupees? For a change of 10 rupees? See, we just see that we need 10 coins for 5 rupees. We need 10 coins of 50 paise for 5 rupees. So we need 20 coins of 50 paise for 10 rupees. So here we need 20 coins. Here we need 20 coins of 50 paise for 10 rupees, for a change of 10 rupees. Now see the next one. Next one is 1 rupee coins. Next one is 1 rupee coins. So how many coins of 1 rupee do we need for a change of 10 rupee? 10 coins. We need 10 coins. See, 10 coins of 1 rupee make 10 rupees. Now, how many coins of 2 rupees do we need? 5 coins. See, 5 coins of 2 rupee makes 10 rupee. 5 coins of 2 rupees make 10 rupees. Now, how many coins do we need? How many coins of 2 rupees and 1 rupees do we need for 10 rupees? See, if we take 4 2 rupees coins, so 4 2s are 8, and if we take 2 1 rupee coins, 2 1s are 2, 8 plus 2 10. So 4 2 rupee coins and 2 1 rupee coins make 10 rupees. Now next one is 5 rupees. So how many coins do we need? How many coins of 5 rupees do we need for change of 10 rupee? 5 2s are 10. That means 2 coins. We need 2 coins of 5 for a change of 10 rupee. For a change of 10 rupees. Now we see the change for 20 rupee notes. We see the change for 20 rupee notes. So for 20 rupee, for the change of 20 rupees, we take 4 coins of 5 rupee, or we can take 1 coin of 10 rupee and 2 coin of 5 rupees. 1 coin of 10 rupee and 2 coin of 5 rupees will make 20 rupees. Or we can take 2 coin of 10 rupees. 2 coin of 10 rupees make 20 rupees. Now we see the change for 50 rupee. The change for a 50 rupee note. See, we can take 2 20 rupee notes and 1 10 rupee notes. So 2 20 rupee notes and 1 10 rupee notes make 50 rupees. Or 1 20 rupee notes and 3 10 rupee notes also make 50 rupees. Or see, 5 10 rupee notes. 5 10 rupee notes also make 50 rupees. Now we see the change for 100 rupee notes. We see the change for 100 rupee notes. How can we take a change? How can we take a change of 100 rupees? See, we can take 10 notes of 10 rupees. We can take 10 notes of 10 rupees. 10 notes of 10 rupees make 100 rupees. Or we can take 2 notes of 50 rupee. 2 notes of 50 rupee make 100. 2 notes of 50 rupees make 100. Now let us see one example. See here, where a milkman giving a milk, and then he gives a bill because he doesn't take a money on daily basis. So he gave a bill on the monthly basis, and he gave a bill of 452 rupees. He gave a bill of 452 rupees to the lady. She says she has a 500 rupee notes. She says she has a 500 rupee notes. She doesn't have a change. She doesn't have a change. So she say, Nandu, go to the shop. She say, Nandu, go to the shop and take a change for a 500 rupee notes. And take a change for a 500 rupee notes. Nandu get a change for 500 rupee notes. So see what he get. See, Nandu take 400 rupee notes, 150 rupee notes, 120 rupee notes, and 2 10 rupee notes, 1 5 rupee coins, 2 2 rupee coins, and 1 1 rupee coins. and one 1 rupee coins. So he take a change. He take a change of 500 rupee notes. But we can also take in another way. We can also take a change of 500 rupee notes in another way. See, we can take 500 rupee notes or 10. We can take 500 rupee notes. 500 rupee notes also make 500. Now see here. Now we see the change for a 2000 rupee notes. Change for a 2000 rupee notes. Now see here. The first one is 20 rupee notes. The first one is 20 rupee notes. So how many notes do we need for 2000 rupees? 2000 rupees change. See, how many notes of 20 rupees do we need for 2000 rupees change? How many notes? See, if we have 5 notes of 20, so it make 100. It make 100. Or if we have 10 notes of 20, so it will make 200. That means we need, how many notes do we need? 100 notes. We need 100 notes. See, 100 notes of 20 rupees make 2000 rupees. Now see the next one. Next one is 50 rupee notes. Next one is 50 rupee notes. So how many notes of 50 rupee do we need for 2000? See, 2 notes of 50 rupee make 100 and 4 notes of 50 rupee make 200. So here we need 40 notes. Here we need 40 notes of 50 rupees to make 2000. Now the next one is 100 rupee notes. See, 100 rupee notes means 100. 500 rupee notes means 500. So how many notes of 100 rupees do we need for 2000? 20. We need 20 notes of 100 rupees for a change of 2000. Now the next one is 500 rupee notes. See, one 500 rupee note means 500. Two 500 rupee notes means 1000. So 4 500 rupee notes means 2000. So here we need 4 500 rupee notes for a change of 2000. So what we see in this lecture? How to exchange big coins and notes for smaller ones. How to exchange big coins and notes for smaller ones. Now I will give you a homework. See here, you have to describe the other way of getting a change for 10 rupee coin, 50 rupee notes, 100 rupee note, 500 rupee note and 2000 rupee note. This is your homework.